Hi guys, today we're driving on a Healy Pass mountain. The view is so cool and it's also beautiful. And also there's a lake beside the mountains. And the lake is so beautiful and there's mini waterfalls everywhere. We're on top of the mountain. I could also see you guys. I'm just joking. The lake is so cool. The mountain is beautiful. And the sky is cloudy. It's like a poem. Everything looks amazing. I don't know what to say next too. The road's going like a sleigh, and it's actually always a cool turn. I'm enjoying this ride, and everywhere I look, it's amazing. Look at the front, there's a mini waterfall. Wow, I thought it was a bit smaller, but it's actually wider. Cool. Wow, I like this waterfall. It's so nice. Amazing. Wow. There's even more waterfalls? Never know that. Cool. There's even more waterfalls. And there's even sheeps. Cool. Lots of sheeps with blue wool on them. Cool. We would be thankful if you like and subscribed and followed us. Thank you. Bye bye.